Roblox? Murder mystery. Now I just created my Roblox account. Same day I created the name on my YouTube channel. Now you can add me. I'm the annoying cheese. You can add me if you want. I'm not gonna vote. I'm just trying to stay hidden from everybody. These are getting hot. Let's see. Okay. What map are we doing? Innocent. Now I've only ever played this game before. I've seen some of my friends play it, but I've never exactly played it myself before. For me. Ooh, vent. I wonder what this leads to. Oh no. I'm just trying to stay distant from everybody. This is my first time. Can I just walk past the murderer? What is this room? This room looks so creepy. Ah! Ah! Oh no! I can't climb up. What am I gonna do? Oh, I know who the murderer is now. This game is so creepy. I've never actually played it before, but I have seen some of my friends play it. Tell me if you guys want to see more Roblox. If you guys do, let me know in the comments. I guess I gotta wait for it to teleport me. Okay, let's teleport. Yes! We won! Oh, a hero! A hero has saved the day. Now this video is going to be quick. Well, not too quick, but kind of quick. I'll end this video off at like 4 minutes. I wonder what I'm gonna be. Ah, dang it, I'm just innocent. The innocents can't do anything. How did we already win? I don't know how that's possible. Oh, the sheriff saved the day. Sheriff? I thought it was hero. I don't know. I don't really know this game that well. I know what they're saying in the chat. Okay, let's get going. I can't wait to try and see if I can be the murderer. Dang it, I'm innocent again. Why am I always innocent? I don't understand. No. I don't trust this girl. Well, I guess let's keep going. Let's see how much is. Why is this dude just chilling in the vents? I don't understand what the deal with that was. Get these coins. We have to do anything we can to win, guys. Why is this dude following me? I just saw the murderer! I think she's the murderer. I'm not positive, though. No knives or guns. Ooh, vent. Let's try this vent. See where it leads. Oh my god. Yes! Alright guys, that'll do it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye! Well, I'm doing my human friend Gamer Jaxie Gamers outro. I hope you guys enjoyed this cheesy video. If you liked it, smash that like button. I'm not gonna do that. Smash the like button, or just like it if you want, or dislike. Anyway, that's it. Goodbye.